Hello. So today I would like to show you a fast and an easy way to extract data from table, such as invoice or reports. And first of all, I need to import the invoice image file into the system, but I already did. Okay, so let me pull it up here. Okay, I got the image for the invoice, so it's very simple with very well structured invoice table. So, and then now to first of then now we can add the content model to it to do the extraction to set up the project. So I add the content model. So I call like a invoice extraction. Okay. In order to do the extract data from the table, so I need to add to data model in order to do the data extraction. So we have the data model. So, and we focus on this today on the data, on extract the data from the table. So I need to add a table to it. So we add the data table. We call the invoice table. And we also, on the table, we also need the data column. So, and we can add this, and we can use the add the multiple items. So we can we can copy the whole list, so add it in. We can just enter if we want to. So from here, so I would like to see, could move away. So I get to be this one. So I can add like the quantity. And I think let's have a description. Oh, description. And also, okay. And also I have the unit price and have a total column. Okay, now we have the all four. We just go back to double check to see that we have that in here. Quantity, description, unit price, total. We have all. And now, and we have to add the all the regex patterns to do the extract data. So in the first of all, so let's see, we can have that and go to, and this very well structured invoice table. So I've used very simple methods and very simple technique to use it. So I use the row match technique. So on the row match here, so I can put internal, identify the pattern you want to, so I can take a look here. As I see on the columns, the description is very well patterned. So all the character almost similar. So I use that as my key point. Okay. So we can add one pattern here. So there should be D. So it should be three character, for example, for now. And this one, select D. So we have two character. And also select D. And also this one I have the one for five character. So I have that. Okay, let's just set that. But in order to get the rest of them, so I have to go back to see, okay. Now, and how do we get the rest of the other columns? So I can add now, take everything on the left side. So, okay. Now do the same way. So I will take everything on the right side of my pattern. Okay. Okay. Now we got everything. And save it. And also, when we do the test access, we have the table, but no data yet. Oh, well, okay. If you click on everywhere in here and here, you can look like a detect all the row and column table, but we don't have that, the data yet. Now we go back to set up every single column pattern to do the extract the data. So I will do the same way. I just add one pattern here. So I just take a look on the first column. So that's for quantity. It look like for me there's also this one is where the number, the digit. So I just add this one over here. So quantity that can be from 1 to 3 character. Okay, but I don't want it to interfere with the other column, so I can define this. So this should be start look ahead pattern. So I go okay. This one should be slash s. Oh, look at the beginning of the line. Okay, so this one is done. Save, and also go back to description column. We do the same way to edit in the pattern. We do the data extractor. So in this one, okay, we did the same one we added before. So we just do this the same way. Okay. All right. So this one is also slightly. So it be 5 character. Okay, good. So we have that. And now we go to the another column, do the same way. So we need to add a pattern to it. And this one, so we add the units price column. So we get the data. This one, this one is the currency. So we have to add the currency into it. So it look like we have to add like this. 1, 2, 3 character. And also may have that. Okay. But this one, I don't want it to fit with the last column for the total. So in that case, so I have, okay, so this one, so that's it. I need to turn on the tab marking. So that's where you have the order the tab recognition. Okay. All right. That should be good. This one and the last column, we need to also add the same pattern into it. Okay, so this one also the last pattern here. Okay, do the same way we have. Okay. Okay. But this one is when we take it off the unit price column out, so that means we have to put this. Also, we need to turn on the tab marking on. Okay, so we got everything back now. We'll save it. And finally, so we can test our table to see, do we have the data? Yes, we have, we grab all the data from the table. It looked like every row, so we double check to see if we miss everything. No, we have everything in row. Okay, so all right. So we are finished to take it out. We have defined all the everything and we got all the data back. And thank you for the watching. And next video, I will show you the shortcut way with the one patterns to extract column data from the table. And also, if you like to have live demo, please contact me. My info is shown below the screen. Again, thanks for watching.